And now, the 2021 FLATE Award presentation.
Welcome to this award session introducing and celebrating the 2021 FLATE Manufacturing Education Awardees. FLATE is the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center of Excellence. FLATE's mission is to support the Florida manufacturing ecosystem with robust education programs in Florida so that students can seamlessly enter the manufacturing workforce at various levels. Last year, FLATE became part of the FloridaMakes network. However, today is not about FLATE. Today is about the outstanding Florida manufacturing educators and their partners who are dedicated to teaching our youth through thick and thin, through rain and shine, testing and no testing, and now, of course, through pandemics. FLATE initiated this recognition program to increase the visibility of manufacturing and manufacturing education in Florida and to showcase the passionate and tireless work that is going on, often quietly behind closed doors in our Florida schools. This is FLATE's 14th year of Manufacturing Education Awards. We are proud and happy to add our 4 outstanding 2021 awardees. You will meet them in another minute, to the 39 previously recognized excellent educators. These 2021 awardees provide just a taste of the army of dedicated, passionate educators in Florida schools that work tirelessly for young Floridians, helping to mold them into hardworking, responsible, and educated adults. Before we begin, I'd like to thank FloridaMakes for hosting our awards at this MakeMore Summit Talent Development segment. I'd also like to thank FLATE sponsors. Their support is directed to the professional development opportunities they experienced last week at the FACTI conference. And of course, their support recognizes their outstanding work. Thank you also to Jaeger Education, SES Labs, AG Inc., Northwest Florida Manufacturing Council, and the Bay Area Manufacturing Association. Thanks so much for these organizations for investing in our future.
The 2021 FLATE Distinguished Manufacturing Secondary Educator of the Year Award.
Hi, I'm Shirley Dobbins, Hillsborough Community College, and I have the privilege and honor of introducing you to an esteemed educator, Selena Lewis. Selena has been educating young minds for 30 years. She is a network for teaching entrepreneurial educator for the Project Lead the Way at Young Middle Magnet School in Tampa, Florida. In her relentless pursuit to empower middle school and high school girls with knowledge, experience, and resources, Selena founded the first all-girls STEM Day by forming a strategic relationship with SoftWorks, Suncoast Credit Union, Hillsborough Community College, the City of Tampa, the Department of Health, and FLATE Advanced Technological Education Center, known as FLATE. This camp has touched over 500 girls across Hillsborough County. Selena is also a USF Stravis Center BB&T Fellow, which engages in design thinking, entrepreneurial concepts, as well as a professional development coach through the EET Innovation in Residence Grant Program. She serves on numerous advisory boards and has well earned the 2021 Distinguished Manufacturing Secondary Educator of the Year Award. I give you the esteemed Selena Lewis.
I'd like to thank everyone who nominated me for this award. It's such an honor to be part of FLATE, FloridaMakes, and FATE, far as recognition. A lot of teachers don't get the recognitions that they deserve, especially when dealing with manufacturing and industrial education. Therefore, it is truly an honor. It's one of the highest honors that I've received. And I encourage every teacher, girl, anybody to go ahead and try their best at whatever they can far as industrial engineer. While at the same time, I want to thank once again FloridaMakes, FLATE, and FATE for all of your support. Thank you so much.
The 2021 FLATE Distinguished Manufacturing Post-Secondary Educator of the Year Award.
Hi, I'm James Hodge. Plant Manager of Cirak's Advanced Fabrics, and I'm proud to briefly introduce you to Mike Cannon. Mike is the program coordinator and lead instructor for the Mechanical Design and Fabrication program at Pensacola State College. Mike has done so much for the community of Northwest Florida, from working with local manufacturers to develop curriculum around the region's needed skill sets, working with high school programs to ready teachers to present their curriculum. Mike has been working at PSC for the past 29 years and has played a prominent role in building a robust automated manufacturing training that is currently considered best in the Southeast region. The cornerstone of Mike's contributions is his belief in the importance of manufacturing education and training. Besides his integral role in program development, Mike has been the face behind many successful initiatives on a regional and statewide level. Mike is a big proponent of building crosswalks between industry and education to enhance the experience of manufacturing education for students. He was recently featured in an article published by Autodesk and was a scheduled speaker at the 2020 Autodesk Virtual Conference to discuss issues surrounding technology in the classroom. Through advisory committee meetings, Mike ensures PSC is providing training that leads to jobs while incorporating industry-recognized technology and certifications into his manufacturing education programs. It is my pleasure to recognize Mike as the 2021 Distinguished Manufacturing Secondary Educator of the Year Award. The award represents a joint effort between Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, FloridaMakes, and the Florida Association for Industrial and Technical Educators to recognize contributions of educators and industries in advancing technician education and training on a regional and statewide level. Congratulations and thank you to Mike Cannon, instructor of engineering, technology, and machining at Pensacola State College.
Thank you so much for those kind words. I'm not worthy anyway. No, I thank you for this honor of the award. Education to me is everything. I live for education. Changing students' lives is why manufacturing and education is so important to what we do in Florida. These programs across the state of Florida, we build engineering technicians, essential jobs. We have the opportunity, we're blessed to be able to change someone's life, to give them a skill set, to have a quality of life, quality education, a technical skill that's challenging and rewarding. In the very beginning, I found it very important to teach a wide variety of skill sets, not just the program in which we're going to learn CNC machining or just welding. We teach skill sets to prepare the students to go to work in any industry. One of the most exciting things we just added to the program is laser processing. We just installed and set up a 1.5 kW fiber laser. And across the nation, fiber laser techs are going to be in demand. And one thing that I take pride with my administration support is when I come up with these new ideas and brainstorms for new technology to bring into the programs, I'm supported. And it's just wonderful to be able to share these new technologies with students and help them become successful in their educational goals. But thank you very much for the award. I look forward to meeting everyone in the conference. And once again, I'm blessed to be recognized, and I don't have enough words to thank you enough. Thank you.
2021 FLATE Distinguished Manufacturing Partner Service Award.
I am Danielle Orozco-Cole, Career and Technical Education Program Manager for FLATE. It is my honor to present this year's Distinguished Manufacturing Partner Service Award. The recipient of this award has demonstrated outstanding contributions to promote technology, education, and career awareness in support of manufacturing at local, state, and national levels, with an exceptional devotion of time, effort, and action. It has been said of this year's winner has for some time and continues to put forth heart and soul into promoting manufacturing education. The winner has served as the chair of FLATE's Industrial Advisory Committee, currently serves on FloridaMakes Advanced Manufacturing Leadership Council, and on the academic advising committees of the Engineering Technology AS degree programs at Hillsborough Community College and St. Petersburg College. The winner is an acting member of the Bay Area Manufacturing Association, serving on several of its committees. In addition, has served as a judge for regional STEM and science fairs, and has been involved with the Florida Technology Student Association competitions. The winner continuously provides support to STEM manufacturing education during the Great American Teach-In Day, as well as regularly teaching as a guest instructor for K-12 classes in the fields of engineering and science. This year's winner has also participated in Manufacturing Month, providing several tours to middle and high school students. In addition, has presented in multiple professional development presentations to help mentor educators during these challenging times, helping FLATE, FloridaMakes, and all the manufacturings in Florida, creating a step-by-step educational tool to facilitate tours. Ladies and gentlemen, please acknowledge the 2021 Distinguished Manufacturing Partner Service Award winner, Mr. Peter Michael Cirak, Quality Assurance Director at Seal Dynamics, a global aerospace manufacturer in Tampa. Congratulations, Peter.
Thank you very much, Danielle. That was an incredible introduction. I always find it extremely appreciative, or I'm very appreciative of the recognition. And I find it's so easy for me, at least, to do these things because I genuinely find them fun and I'm passionate about it. And I think it's important as leaders in our community that we put forth our resources as much as we can for whatever, if it happens to be manufacturing, that's awesome. I'm in manufacturing, so it works. But I think just in general, we should put forth our resources to improve our communities in general. And it just so happens that I think that my skill set, and I apply those skills where I can, and my money where I can, certainly my time. But you know, as many of those things as Danielle rattled off, there's still a shy comparison to some of the giants in our community, like Roy Sweatman, like Marilyn Barger here. So it's easy. I'm just sort of riding along in their coattails, but it's certainly, I really extremely appreciate the recognition, and I continue to serve Tampa Bay and the state of Florida and our nation as best I can.
The 2021 FLATE Distinguished Manufacturing Organizational Partner Service Award.
I'm honored to introduce Tom Mudano, President and CEO of AmSkills, as the very first recipient of the FLATE Distinguished Manufacturing Organizational Partner Service Award. Tom has been at the helm of AmSkills, listening to the needs of the manufacturing community since AmSkills was established as an economic development initiative for the Tampa Bay area to strengthen communities through workforce training and apprenticeships. Tom has been at the forefront of developing and implementing industry training solutions based on those needs of the manufacturing community, while also aligning to the Florida Department of Education certification frameworks so that all AmSkills programs are competency-based, making AmSkills a pipeline for continuing education, post-secondary education, and the workforce. Thank you, Tom, and congratulations.
First, I'd like to thank FLATE, FloridaMakes, and NSF for this very distinguished award, and Mark Gaudio from Amatrol for your nomination. AmSkills believes that if we first focus on the person and helping them to succeed, it will result in filling the skilled jobs needed by employers. AmSkills is utilizing creative ways to implement programs, including virtual reality, hands-on career discovery boot camps using our mobile workshop, and our soon-to-open neighborhood training center. None of this could have been done if it weren't for the vision of the AmSkills Board of Directors, our funding partners, and the many manufacturers we serve, and our AmSkills staff who work very hard to achieve our mission. AmSkills has helped transform many lives, including Kevin, a homeless veteran who went through our boot camp secured a job, and transitioned out of homelessness within a month. Or Justin, who completed our AmSkills high school pre-apprenticeship and apprenticeship and is now traveling the world at 21 years old as a service technician. This award is a tribute to all of these people who transformed their lives through education, hands-on training, and apprenticeships. Thank you for this great honor.
The MakeMore Manufacturing Summit congratulates all of the winners of the 2021 FLATE Awards.